We're all Toastmasters. Flamboyance and being larger than life runs in our blood. But we always find ourselves in situations where we're tongue-tied, professing our love to Meghna, or talking to our boss during our appraisals, or even introducing ourselves to the girl next door. At the end of the speech, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests, our target speaker, President Hemant, has given us some valuable tips which we can easily take back home. Now let's evaluate in terms of how the speech progressed and the elements which I liked the most. First thing that came out very strongly was national integration. Abdul Narayan from Dhobitala. That immediately created a connect for me. Abdul Narayan D'Souza from Dhobitala, right? So mixing the entire nation together, that brought an instant connect for me, and that was probably the humorous element which you kind of maintained throughout the rest of the speech as well. So that is something which worked very well. In terms of the examples which you gave, so one of the critical elements of this evaluation is to set the stage of why conversation is important and how do you converse with ease. Both the examples which he portrayed really clearly highlighted what can go wrong in a conversation. And that is fundamentally important for us to realize as an audience as to why interpersonal skills are that important. Both these ouch situations kind of had our ears open, and that immediately created a connect with the audience, establishing the first objective of the speech itself. Now moving on to the second stage, wherein the objective as per the entire project is to establish a situation, kind of a role play scenario, which demonstrates to the audience as to how well this can be done. And there are multiple stages which he's tried to enact throughout this as well. So the first one was when you talk in a sense of breaking the ice, which is what he did with the role play itself. Second was to move into a more domain wherein you talk about yourself, introducing who you are, which was also done very well. And then thirdly, towards your hobbies and other interests in other domains as well. Going to the time connect, of course, it was difficult, and I also personally believe that it's not possible to reach to the fourth level, which is personal feeling, in a 5-minute conversation. But other than that, I think it was achieved perfectly well. And kudos to obviously Pooja also for playing an equally important role here in trying to address this. So that was the second objective achieved. As far as the third objective is concerned, the Q&A, I'm pretty sure that Rabin and Prathamesh would have got intelligent tips on how to tackle your respective foreign and Indian girlfriends. So from an overall perspective, a fantastic job done, and this will give us an opportunity to kind of connect with people in our organizations, in our day-to-day conversations. In terms of what could have been done better, couple of recommendations. One, when you move from politics to the Gujarati part, if that person was not Gujarati, it could have been a difficult situation. So that is the only recommendation I have. Otherwise, it was a fabulous attempt here, and I hope everyone learned something valuable from it. Over to you.